you'll notice the message default route without gateway. If not, a point-to-point interface may impact performance. I'm going to show you this here in a second, but I got to do this first. And we also want to do the IP route for the serial 001. So IP route, and see our completion rate, by the way, 30 to 60. 172.31.1. No, I'm doing the wrong one. Okay, 172.31.1.128 space 255.255.255.192, and then S0/0/1. Enter that in. It's going to give you the same message that it gave for the other one. So now it's asking which command only displays directly connected networks. I'll show you. It's show IP route connected. I gotta get out of configuration mode. Okay, show IP route connected. Okay, there we go. There's our connected routes. It says 172 through 24, 0 through 24 is directly connected. 192 to 30 is directly connected. 196.30 is directly connected to the serial. That's good. Now it asks which command only displays the static routes listed in the routing table. I will show you as soon as I get down here and I start doing a static route. If you really want to know what it is, it's a show IP route. Here, I got it written down right here. It's show IP route static, and it will show your static routes. But we haven't configured any yet, so I'll show you that when we get there. So D, when viewing the entire routing table, how can you distinguish between directly attached static route and directly connected network? The answer to that would be static will be labeled with an S. You see these C's for connected? When we do a static route, we're going to have an S right here labeling it that it's a static route. So now we're going to move on to step 3, connect a default route on router 3. How does a default route differ from a regular static route? Well, basically, the default route, or gateway to last resort, in Cisco terms, is the default route. The network route is used to when there is no other route that exists on the network. Default route appears when there's just basically no other route. That's how you answer that question. Now we're going to go in the router 3, and we're going to do the IP route inside router 3 because we got to configure. Okay, so it's enable router 3, go in the global executive mode, and as you're here, it's IP route 0.0.0. 4 zeros in a row. Okay, and we're doing serial 0/0/1. You enter that, it gives you your little message. Now let's see how this is displayed. And this is the command I was talking about on step 2, letter C. Show IP route static. And it shows our static route, and that's our command right there to get a static route for C. How is a static route displayed in the routing table? Just like that, right there. Okay. Now we've gotten to step 4. We're at completion 50 out of 60. If you guys want to know where all this is going, is you can always go on your little interfaces right here. And this is what we're configuring: serial 001, serial 000, and then let's see, there's our gig 00, gig 00, and our gigs. So that's pretty much what we're configuring. Number 4, document the commands for fully specified routes. Packet Tracer does not currently support configuring fully specified static routes. Therefore, in this step, document the configuration or fully specified routes. So I'm going to pull my notepad up here real quick. It's not up there anymore. I guess I just have to type it in. Okay, let's make this a little smaller. So basically, when I have an answer for you, I'll put it in a notepad because Packet Tracer doesn't handle this right now. A. Explain a fully specified route. Which command provides a fully specified static route from R3 to R2? Your configuration would look like this. It would be in router 3, and it would be config mode number hashtag, whatever you want to call it. IP route 172.31.0.0 255.255.255.252, and then we would have serial 0/0/1 space 172.31.1.197. So that would be our first command to explain a fully specified route. Which command provides a fully specified static route? It's right there. R3 config IP route 172.31.0.0 255.255.252 subnet mask. Then the serial interface of 0/0/1, and then back to IP route 172.31.1.197. So that's A. Write a fully specified command. Write a fully specified route for R3 to the network between R2 and R1. Do not configure the route, just calculate it. So for B, we would go R3. It would be in config mode. And it would be IP route 172.31.1.192 255.255.255.252 again, but this time it's serial 0/0/1, and then 172.31.1.197. And that's pretty much taking care of the configurations and documenting the configuration for router 3. That's your IP route for S001. Pretty much the same thing, but it's just S001 instead of S00. So from our part 3, write a fully specified static route from R3 to R1 LAN. Excuse me. There's always 2 sneezes with me. Okay, from router 3 to R1, it would look like this. R3 config IP route 172.31.1.0 255.255.255.128, and then serial 0/1 172.31.1.197. Okay. And that would be our configuration for C over here, just to be documented. Now that we've done that, no, I don't want to save that. Verify static route configurations, part 5. And we're not going to be able to put that on here either. Okay, so for our next step, we want to pretty much verify static route configurations. Use the appropriate show commands to verify configurations, and we're going to have to do Notepad on this again, just to show you an example of how it works. And the commands that